The time when Yahoo almost bought Google, the fall of Yahoo. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel High Tech Tins. Today we'll talk about the time when Yahoo almost bought Google and how it fell. We will all know that Yahoo was the world's largest internet company. Yahoo was $125 billion at its highest in 2000, which today is $188 billion. They provided a lot of internet services such as music, videos, social, and photo sharing. However, Yahoo suffered from several failures, resulting in a $4.48 billion in 2016 being sold to Verizon. Yahoo has not met its expectations and has quickly lost its value. Let's dive into reasons why it all happened. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel to never miss out on more videos we post. Here we begin. So Larry Page and Google's founders, Sergey Brin, went to Google in 1998 to sell $1 million to Google, $1.5 million today. Yahoo rejected the offer. It was a major error, but that is it. The doesn't worth writing, as Sergey Brin and Larry Page quickly succeeded Google. If Yahoo had purchased it, Google probably isn't what it is now. What's so interesting about Yahoo's errors is that they did not learn from many of them. Google was so much more precious in 2002. Yahoo CEO Terry Semel must now realize the real potential of Google. Yahoo came to buy Google from Larry and Sergey. Yahoo wanted to purchase it for $3 billion, but Google wanted $5 billion today, and the figure was $7.2 billion. Yahoo again rejected the offer. It's been a huge error. Google's parent, Alphabet, became the fourth largest tech firm worth $1 trillion on January 16th, 2020. You never got an opportunity again to purchase Google. In 2006, it rejected the purchase of Facebook. Yahoo tried to get $1.1 billion, $1.4 billion today, from Facebook in July of 2006. Facebook agreed on the deal ebook, and they were ready to be purchased. However, hopefully Facebook is not Yahoo's property. Yahoo, Terry Semel, has changed its bid to $800 million US, today $1 billion US. Mark Zuckerberg did not approve of the deal, and Yahoo has never had Facebook. It was one of the technology company's most famous mistakes. Once again, it would not be what Yahoo has acquired Facebook. But what if they could do that? This is a question never answered. In 2008, Yahoo rejected to sell itself to Microsoft. Then in 2008, Microsoft approached Yahoo to purchase it for $44.6 billion. Jerry Yang, CEO of Yahoo, dismissed this and said Microsoft wanted to build a synergy with Yahoo, a rising technology player, to compete with Google. Yahoo continued to reject the bid. Never did the deal occur. It was undervalued, Yahoo thought. It doesn't look like that after the Verizon deal. The best thing is, if Yahoo agreed to the deal, Microsoft probably would have made a huge error. If they hadn't rejected these deals, would Yahoo be worth hundreds of billions? Not likely. After buying Google and Facebook, Yahoo might have flopped. This is the scenario here, most likely. In 1999, Yahoo had earlier acquired $5.7 billion, $8.8 billion today, and $3.6 billion, $5.6 billion today from companies such as Broadcast. They couldn't turn these companies into a greater value, and they weren't worth anything. Yahoo might have been a great firm, but it sold Broadcast for less than the former acquisition. Yahoo hasn't understood what to do with the web. The internet was becoming popular with all. Many companies tried to engage in the new market and to succeed. Yahoo was the biggest player already. Yahoo did not know what to do because of the problem. It was then the largest online company and tried to get into social media, search engines, sharing photographs, video, and many other online services. Briefly Jack, master of none of all trades. Many CEOs were coming and going, and the company's vision continued to change. For example, Terry Semel, the second CEO of Yahoo, wanted to turn into a new media giant. Marissa Mayer, its last CEO, wanted to become a mobile technology company. As a master, Yahoo did not establish himself. He was trying to do it all, and last but not least, nothing could be done. Whenever a company has a clear plan to change the world, this is what it has done. In each house, Bill Gates wanted to have Windows computer on it. That's why IBM has signed a deal to build MS-DOS on IBM computers and run it. Bill Gates, who he is now, was made by this deal. Steve Jobs had a clear vision of prioritizing people. People needed instruments, and he gave them instruments. Technology is nothing, as he once said. It's important to have confidence in people, to be good and intelligent, and to do fantastic things with them when you give them tools. He knew that his ideas could help people. With technology, people can do so much. So he was always looking forward to this combination. It created a small tool that stores thousands of songs, a small tool that packs more power than previous computers, and so many other great tools. The fact that Steve Jobs had a clear vision succeeds Apple. The internet is a wonderful place, and people can be helped in so many ways. But finally, very few people are running a technology giant. Many have a skill, but only a few have the vision. Those few people could not get Yahoo. So this story has sadly come to an end. You don't mind the world. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Until then, stay tuned and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you all next time.